Unlock your future with free AI and ML certifications.
Artificial intelligence and machine learning are transforming every major industry. If you want to launch or accelerate your tech career, earning respected certifications is a great first step. The best part? There are top-quality certifications you can earn online for free, helping you gain valuable skills without the financial burden.
Google's Machine Learning Crash Course Certificate.
Google offers a comprehensive machine learning crash course designed for beginners and professionals alike, with video lectures, practical exercises, and real-world case studies. The course covers core ML concepts and tools. After completing the program, you earn a certificate of completion, demonstrating your foundational knowledge to employers and peers.
IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate, Audit Option.
IBM's AI Engineering Professional Certificate on Coursera provides in-depth learning on deep learning, machine learning, and neural networks. By auditing the courses for free, you can access all videos and readings without charge. While the official certificate is paid, successfully auditing and passing assessments lets you show mastery in key AI concepts to enhance your resume.
Microsoft Learn, AI Fundamentals.
Microsoft offers the AI Fundamentals learning path through Microsoft Learn, covering the basics of AI, machine learning, computer vision, and natural language processing. This self-paced curriculum is free and culminates in a digital badge upon completion, giving you tangible proof of your understanding of AI technologies.
Coursera Machine Learning by Stanford University, free audit.
Stanford University's world-famous Machine Learning course by Andrew Ng is available on Coursera and can be audited free of charge. While the paid track includes an official certificate, the free version offers full access to lectures, readings, and assignments. Completing it builds a strong foundation in algorithms and data science, a key asset for your AI career.
Getting started on your AI career journey.
These free online certifications offer a stepping stone into the high-demand world of AI and machine learning. Explore each platform, choose the path that matches your career goals, and build up your skills without spending a dime. Continuous learning and practical projects will help you stand out and secure opportunities in this exciting field.